Morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone all around the world. My name is Andy Park, a corporate account manager at SDS, live streaming for virtual Drupa 2021 from our showroom in Anyang, Korea. We had fantastic live online sessions for past 4 days, including today, with many attendees from all around the world. Today on is the last day of these live sessions, but uh uh you know what we did during the Drupa 2021 will be on our SDS YouTube channel forever. So please visit us our YouTube channel and check the contents that we made on this live demonstration or the presentation video that we uploaded. And if you have any questions on those any product line that we supply, just feel free to contact us by sending us an email to sales@sdskorea.com or contact your local distributors or dealers in your regions. We at SDS believe that Drupa is the perfect place to have a, sneak peek of our upcoming model EasyBender EX. Since this is not a production model yet and still under development, it'll be a short and brief demo. But for last 3 days, we went over how this automatic tooling block works and how inkjet marking works and how fast and accurate our new bending and feeding system works, along with your post. I feel like that we just highlight all these things again, all these features again, and out of this last live streaming session. So, uh, EasyBender EX here can be configured with options like inline broaching, inline nicking, the center nicking or side nicking, or standard and combination perforation and tool nick, inkjet marking, standard postcut unit at the end of the machine, as well as a quick changeover of the bending nozzle and the rule channel. And as of now, we are planning on configuring this machine 2-point only up to 32 millimeters, or 3-point only up to 32 millimeters, or 2 and 3 point. And depending on what you do, we could also configure this machine with 1.5 point. That's the plan here. And once again, this is not a production model yet, and we are planning on releasing this machine on the fourth quarter of this year. So here, uh, I'm just gonna go to closer to the front camera here, and I'm just gonna highlight the auto height adjustment down, auto height adjustment. No, go up. Okay, I think I gotta go up. And okay, so auto height adjustments, and then at the same time, I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to work on these tools here. So each of this is the the nick tools or micro perforation tools, and this is the perforation tools here. And so the reason I'm showing you this specialized tools, we don't have it on NS2, and we only have these same tools on NS2 and then the upcoming model EasyBender EX. So I think it's very important to point out these tools out of Drupa here, so that you know what we have as far as machine model goes and what the capability of those machines are. So here, this is the again nick tools here. and and then so this nick tool has like three different customizable the male and female part of the tools that can be used for, like I said, it can replace the nick rather than the carbide, the circular nicks, and or you could actually use this to make micro perforation pieces. And so each of these tools, like I said, has a male tools like look like this here, and this has actually four cutting edges, top and bottom here, and then on the other side, same here. So as it actually wears out on one side, you could actually extend the life of this tool by turn it over like that and then place back into the tool, or you could flip it, the same thing. So it's got four cutting edges, and you could actually increase the life of tools by four times by doing this process. And I'm just gonna demonstrate how easy it is to take them out and put them back into the machine. So here, this is the front part of the tool, and I think you'll be able to see this. This is the empty slot here, as you can see in the back here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this male tool back into reverse way here and push it all the way into it here. And then this is the holding screw here. All you have to do, put it back in, and just, this is not the right one. Is that the right one? Yes. Sorry, it was the right one. And I'm just gonna turn this around and screw back into it, and then lock this up. So this is how you take these male tools in and out. Try to when you actually extend the life of tool by turn it over or flip it over to use the other side of the tool. So this is the nick tool, and I just want to go over on perforation tools here again, and same concept here, and but it's got the automatic the bevel support driven by electric motors in the back of this tool, and it's pretty much the same here. It's got same male tools that can be flipped over or turned over and to use to extend the life of these tools. And same concept, and you got three customized tools. This can be used for a custom perforation, cut crease rules, and our add called crease and crease pieces and something like that that can you could actually make those pieces out of these tools. So I'm just gonna go back to the machine, and I since I went over those perforation and micro perforation tools, I'm just gonna demonstrate how easy it is to make the custom perforation rules. But before I get to that point, I just wanted to point out how this automatic height or adjustment tool moves up and down. So I'm gonna have this camera bring it in here, and then I will go ahead and click this icon here and click on it, and as you can see here, the, this is the cutting part of the tooling that goes up and down automatically depending on the height of rule that to be processed. And then this is the perforation part of the tool that also goes up and down depending on the height of the height of crease part that you wanted to process. So this is fully automatic. Everything can be configured in the setting of the EasyWin software. So I might point this out, out of this opportunity. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up a file and make some perforation rules, and then go over other functions of this machine. So go back there. So I would like to take this opportunity to bring in our head engineers of the company, and he's actually going to run some sample pieces with me, and I'm just gonna back it off, and I will actually go ahead and wear masks now, and because that's what we do these days, right? All right. All right, so I just uh uh try my best to have a social distancing with my coworkers here in the factory in Korea, and so now he's actually run a crab pieces, and so you could actually go in slightly deeper here, yeah, okay, and tilt it here. Yeah, I think I can be a cameraman this time. So now we actually made this custom perforation rule, and he's actually pointing to the camera. And if you don't mind, yeah, just go ahead and show that this here is the inkjet marking, uh you know inkjet marking that we added on this EasyBender EX, and we could actually change that to any text that you wanted. And once it is set it up, it'll actually go to uh, once it is set it up. For instance, like you could actually change those text, whatever the text that you wanted to type it in there, and what we've been doing, we've been actually typing in Drupa 2021, and then he's actually making that cut crease sample with slightly different specs there, and we are making it again. And you can't really see it, but depending on the height of the cut crease, that cut auto height adjustment, functions of machine actually goes up and down to have perfect size of the cut crease there. So I'm just gonna uh hold it in here. Maybe we're just gonna, okay, you could see it, but I'm just gonna flip it over, and this is the built-in uh inkjet printing functions here. So I think this is something that you're gonna see out of our EasyBender EX in the near future. As a matter of fact, we are going to do this in fourth quarter of this year. And once again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. And now we just want to point out and highlight another the updated feature, which is the overall speed of this machine, along with this postcard function, and so that uh I mean this our conventional easy benders has always been cut first and bend later mechanism, and depending on the shape and type of file that you process, sometimes it'll actually change the geometry of the pieces a little bit if the machine is not really well calibrated. So we are fully aware of that customers are not engineers. I mean, they are actually, they don't, sometimes they have no clue how to fix those issues, and they don't know what to do with those things. So what we ended up doing was actually we added that postcut unit on our machine, so that whatever the pieces that you make, whether it is one single pieces or 10 pieces in a straight row, and if you end up using that postcard unit with very minimum calibration, all the pieces gonna come out same all the time on every job. And another thing that I wanted to point out, while our head engineers are making samples, that as you can see, the overall speed of this machine, it is extremely fast, faster than our conventional benders. And uh, uh, according to the engineers, the machine is actually just around 30% faster compared to our previous models. And I think it's good to point that out of this show. And as you can see, it is super fast, ultra fast. I mean, so that's how fast this machine is. So I think this is pretty much all that we could cover for now. And so this is the last session for demonstrating our EasyBender EX. And so everybody's gone. So I'm just so if you guys have any questions right now, you could actually type it in on YouTube texting windows, and so that I can answer whatever the question that you might have. And so I'm just gonna hang around here for a minute and be ready to answer your questions. And but in the meantime, I just wanted to say thank you for watching our live streaming show for uh EasyBender EX. And we will be coming back with other sessions later today for NS2 and EasyBender VC. And okay, so another thing that I wanted to mention, that we have other line of EasyBenders on our website. So please come and visit our website or YouTube channels. And if there is any questions, anything, uh, it could be a silly questions, or but whatever the question you have, just contact us anytime. Oh, check it out. Oh, Mr. Sari is there again. Hello, Sari, Mr. Sari. I think he's helping his customers using our YouTube channel. And uh, any questions, feel free to ask me. And so I think this is all for now. As said, we'll be coming back with another live sessions with NS2 and VCS. I'll see you again later today. Thank you.